2023 GasGas MC250 and MC125 Motocross lineup. First look. The 2023 GasGas Motocross lineup is here, with only graphical changes compared to 22. GasGas Motocross racers are based on the KTM and Husqvarna MX platforms, as KTM AG owns all three brands, so there are more similarities than differences. GasGas offers a more user-friendly version of the motocross racers by eschewing some electronic rider aids such as traction control and power modes and using a few cheaper components. Also, GasGas softens the WP suspension to appeal to riders looking for fun over the ultimate in competition. For 2023, there are 5 GasGas motorcycles to choose from. 2 strokes are represented by the MC250 and MC125. 4-stroke fans will get the MC350F and MC250F with DOHC engines, along with the flagship MC450F. We don't have prices yet, but we can tell you they'll be at dealers this month and they're red. In the meantime, here are specs and photos of all 5 models. 2023 GasGas MC250 and MC125 specs. Engine type: single-cylinder 2-stroke. Displacement: 249 cubic centimeters, MC125, 125 cubic centimeters. Bore X-stroke, 72 by 66.4 millimeters, MC125, 54 by 54.5 millimeters. Fueling: Mikuni 38 millimeters TMX carburetor. Ignition: Kokusin 2K1. Starting: kick. Lubrication: premix. Transmission: Pankel 5-speed, MC125, 6-speed. Clutch: wet multi-disc DS clutch with Brembo hydraulics. Chassis. Frame: central double cradle chromoly with aluminum subframe. Handlebar: Niken tapered aluminum. Front suspension: travel, fully adjustable WP Zact inverted 48mm fork, 12.2 inches. Rear suspension: linkage assisted WP Zact shock, 11.8 inches. Front wheel: 21 by 1.60. Rear wheel: 19 by 2.15. Tires: Maxxis MaxCross MX ST. Front tire: 80/100x21. Rear tire: 110/90x19, MC125, 100/90x19. Front brake: 260mm disc. Rear brake: 220mm disc. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 58.5 inches. Rake: 26.1 degrees. Triple clamp offset: 22mm. Seat height: 37.4 inches. Ground clearance: 14.8 inches. Fuel capacity: 2.0 gallons, MC125, 1.85 gallons. Wet weight: 222 pounds, MC125, 204 pounds.